Hello everyone. I'm pretty sure we've all seen this very viral TikTok video of Leah Halton. And I want to say that I've been watching Leah on YouTube for like years. So I've known of Leah. I've been a fan of Leah for ages. So when I saw the viral video that she posted that just blew up for the fact that she was pretty, I was like, okay, this girl deserves it because she's in fact that pretty. And honestly, she seems like the most genuine, sweetest person ever through her YouTube videos anyways. So I'm so happy for her. I really don't get the hate in the comments on TikTok about like, oh, like how come she got that many likes for just being pretty? Yeah, because she is. Let's be real. Anyone else is just jealous that it's not them. I said what I said. But today we're gonna recreate her makeup look. I've been watching her get ready with me, as I've said earlier, for like years now. And I feel like I kind of know exactly what she does in her makeup routine. And she even like posted a recent TikTok video doing like a quick version of that makeup routine. So that's exactly what I'm gonna recreate. I feel like her eyebrows are pretty natural. She like doesn't do like anything extreme to them. Like they don't look very like waxed up and like fluffed. They literally just look natural. So I'm gonna do the same thing, which is basically what I do for my eyebrows anyways. I'm not like a dramatic eyebrow girly, and I don't really like the eyebrow lamination look, and I don't think she has that done. I've never seen it in any of her videos or seen her like talk about it. So just taking my, I think this is from Revlon. Yeah, Revlon Color Stay eyebrow pencil. This is the only one that I have right now. I'm not really picky with my eyebrow products. I literally just use whatever matches my hair color at the moment. And this is it. Eyebrows are done. And I also quickly did my skincare so that we can go with the base stuff. And for like skincare, I just did my usual toner, serum from Glow Recipe, and then I also did the Glow Recipe moisturizer today. So I did like a full Glow Recipe watermelon kind of skincare base. I'll tag everything that I used in the description below under the video, so feel free to like look up any of the products that I tagged over there. A bunch of the links are going to be commission based, so I do make some sort of affiliate money out of them, just to be transparent with you guys. For foundation, I wanted to use the new Lancome Healthy Glow Serum Based Foundation. Now, I don't know exactly what foundations Leah uses, but her skin always looks super like healthy and glowy and radiant. So I feel like this foundation would match the vibe. I've actually never tried this. This is going to be like a first attempt trying this, so I really hope the color matches. And I feel like it should definitely give me like the lighter coverage glowy look that I'm looking for. If not, that's gonna be like insanely disappointing, and that's gonna really ruin my mood. Okay, this is like a very runny texture. I think that I need to blend it super quickly so it doesn't like run down my face. It's very light coverage and super hydrating. They did say that it is very skincare based, like very serum like, and I definitely feel that. I've actually never felt a more lightweight foundation before. Like it kind of reminds me of the MAC Serum foundation, but this is definitely more lightweight even than that. I don't know if the coverage is buildable. It's giving like pretty sheer, pretty light coverage. Like you could still see some of my blemishes and like beauty marks underneath, which I like. Definitely what I'm going for with this look. I need to put some on my forehead now, but like I love this. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I'm gonna do one more pump to see if the coverage is buildable, and hopefully it is, because I would like a little bit more coverage. It's that time of the month for me. I was about to say I'm currently in my period, but then I was like, do I want to go in that much detail? I mean, I really don't care. But yeah, it's that time of the month for me, and I'm just feeling really bloated and not like myself, and I feel like I can notice like all my skin imperfections like during this time, and it really bothers me. So I'm just layering one more layer over here to make sure that you have that extra coverage, and so far it is layering super nicely. So I think this is definitely a foundation that you could do like even like 2 to 3 layers of if you need the extra coverage. I'm gonna use the concealer from the same brand, Lancome, and I don't know if this is their new concealer, but it matches the foundation. It's like the Serum concealer, and I'm in the shade 310N, so I'm doing like the neutral base concealer. My foundation was also an N number, which I'm assuming is the neutral kind of undertone. I'll write the actual foundation shade down in the description because I honestly don't know. I have to look at the bottle again. But let's go with a little bit of concealer. She doesn't do a lot. She does concealer over here and then like a little bit over here. Definitely more of a natural clean girl kind of girly, which is like pretty different for me because I am a full base glam kind of girly. I think this is like more than enough. This is also my first time using this concealer, by the way, so this is gonna be like my first real impression about it. So let's go into blending. I always like blending my concealer with brushes. I use my Morphe brush for my concealer always. It's blending super well. Definitely a way thicker texture than the foundation, which makes sense. It is concealer, so you would hope that it has the extra coverage that you would require for it to like cover under eyes. I'm just gonna put a little bit more concealer on my eyelids actually to hide my super ugly eyeliner tattoo, which I hate and I talk about a lot on my TikTok channel about regretting it. I got it done when I was 19, young, naive, and it was like 2016 at the time. And getting your eyeliner tattooed and like eyebrows tattooed and like permanent makeup was such a hype back then. It was like the thing that everyone was doing. So obviously I got sucked into getting my eyeliner tattooed because I wasn't like super into like makeup at the time and I was always wearing the same black eyeliner. I was like, might as well. Like it would definitely make my life easier if I got it tattooed and just wake up with like perfect eyeliner on my face every day. And now I regret it a lot because it can do like very natural like makeup looks. I have to like always cover it with concealer if I want to do that even, which is super annoying because you can still like see the shadow of it under my concealer anyways. Like it doesn't even like cover completely. I've been told that I should like get Dermablend or like whatever, that really thick like foundation concealer like thing that they use on movie sets to like actually be able to cover it fully. So I might look into that. I looked into getting it removed, but getting it removed is either through laser, which is terrifying because I don't want laser near my eyes. I already can barely see and wear glasses, so getting laser on my eyes like near them like just terrifies me. Like I don't want to go blind. Then the other procedure they do to like get rid of it is like something that requires like saline solution and like a needle, and like they poke where the eyeliner tattoo is, which is also like even more terrifying. Like I don't want that near my eye. I wonder how like I wasn't scared to have a needle near my eyelids when I got it done, because like that's how they do it. Yeah, now I'm fucking terrified. Now I'm gonna take my Rare Beauty blush in Hope. This is like a nice pinky shade of blush, and she does like pretty heavy like kind of sunburnt look blush. She like places it more so on the center of her cheeks and then like a little bit on her nose, so we're gonna do that exactly. I am obsessed with that blush placement anyways. Like I feel like that's what I do regularly as well, same as Leah. So I know it's gonna be looking hella cute on me as well. I like this Rare Beauty blush. I know some people like complain about it like being too pigmented, but on me I don't find it that pigmented. I honestly like think it's like the perfect amount, but I feel like I have to do one cheek at a time for it to like actually blend well and not leave like marks. Now doing the other side, same placement, more so towards the center, and then I'm gonna do like a little bit on my nose as I said before. Yeah, blending this with like any brush. This brush that I'm using right now is from a brand called Kaleidos that does really cool makeup. They sent it to me with like one of the PR packages that they sent to me. And I absolutely fell in love with all their products. I believe they're like based out of Korea or like Asia. Not entirely sure. Okay, I think this is like blended enough on my cheeks, but like now I'm gonna do the nose dot. I feel like putting blush on your nose is like the cutest thing you can ever do, and it just gives you that really nice like baby doll kind of look. Leah has, and like literally all of her looks and all of her videos, I feel literally looks like a doll. I feel like I'm done with like liquid blush. I feel like very over blushed right now, and that's exactly what we're going for. I honestly forget if she does any form of like cream, bronzer, or contour, but I'm just gonna do a little bit on my forehead and on my cheekbones just to give my face a little bit more definition. And I'm using this from Milk Makeup. This is in the shade Simmer. I feel like this is my perfect like contour shade. I don't use a lot of contour sticks, to be honest, because I find that they just give me like a very uneven blend, but this one specifically is super nice. I like it a lot more than the Makeup by Mario one actually. And just a little bit over here, and like basically tapping it because I don't want to really like move the foundation underneath to give the cheekbones that kind of look that all the models have. I feel like Leah does have that look sometimes. It might be her bone structure, it might not be contour, who knows, but I feel like this definitely helps to achieve that look. This literally blends like butter. I don't know, do I want to add nose contour? I feel like she doesn't do nose contour, but I'm just gonna do a little bit over here, like tie everything in together, then just a little bit over here. I usually do like a reverse nose contour whenever I do my own like makeup techniques and like makeup routine. I literally just do like one thick stripe in the middle, and I feel like that works better for like my nose shape because I do have like an ethnic Middle Eastern nose. I feel like this is better, like it makes the look a lot nicer. Then I'm just gonna do a little bit under here, give me that jawline. Okay, now onto eyeshadow. So on her latest TikTok video that she did where she like stitched the trend that made her like go viral, and then she did her makeup like in that video, she used this really pretty like shimmery pink kind of eyeshadow color all over her eyelids. So I am gonna do something similar. This palette I think kind of mimics the colors that she was using, and I'm gonna do the shimmery like pinkish shade over here all over my eyelid like she did. Now I personally am not a shimmer eyeshadow kind of girl, so I'm interested to see how this is gonna turn out. Taking it on a fluffy brush. This brush is from MAC and the palette is from Sigma. Just swiping it all over the eyelid. This color is definitely really pretty, and shimmers like always make eyes pop, so I feel like that's the kind of like vibe she was going for. I'm gonna do the same on the other eyelid. Okay, I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Charlotte Tilbury powder on a powder puff. I'm just setting my under eyes right now because I don't want my concealer to crease, because I don't know how this one's gonna react since it's brand new and I've never really tried it before. But I feel like she does set her under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter powder as well. I love this powder so much. Like, no matter what other powder I've tried, I've never found anything like similar to it in vibe or texture or like finish wise. I know that so many people were like, the Maybelline Fit Me powder from the drugstore is like a dupe for it, but I don't think so. I feel like this powder is an investment for sure, but like there's nothing really on the market that compares to it. That's why like I'm literally obsessed with it. This is my second pan this year, and it's the only powder where I've ever like actually hit pan on. I don't want to overuse it though because she doesn't look powdery at all. She looks really glowy, so I'm literally just doing like my smile lines and my under eyes. Okay, I did my winged eyeliner off camera because she does hers really thin and she only does it like halfway through, and I didn't want to like mess it up because I'm usually a really thick and dramatic winged eyeliner kind of girly, and I didn't want to end up with that, so I had to really like concentrate and focus on the shape that I was doing to like actually get it like right. So now we're gonna move into the fake freckles portion. So I'm taking like a nail art brush and my Makeup Bar by Mario like contour stick, the bronzing stick, and this is in the shade dark. I feel like this one is like a more orangey brown, so it might work better for freckles. And then I'm literally just taking the pointy tip of this nail art brush that's supposed to be a dotting tool to dot the freckles on my face. Don't know if this is like the best way to do this. I feel like it's definitely like working. I usually use a brown gel eyeliner to do like my faux beauty marks, so I'm gonna do that after. Okay, yeah, the freckles are looking hella cute and super natural. I love doing them that way. I feel like it gives the most natural results because you can like place them wherever you want. I used to do like the splatter like freckles with that little freckle like liquid kind of thing, but I think that this way just gives me more control and it's not like as sporadic. I know sporadic looks more natural sometimes, but not always. Okay, so now we're going into mascara. I'm using my favorite from Lancome, and I already curled my eyelashes as you can see, and she has really long and pretty lashes, and mine are usually like super like short and stubby, so I don't think they're gonna hold the curl and the mascara, so I might resort to really natural fake lashes after if it's not giving me the effect that Leah has. Okay, I did bottom lash mascara as well. It's giving very baby doll, which I like, and I feel like the blush is still not giving like the very glowy kind of effect that she has, so I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty blush highlighter duo in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And I'm gonna take the less shimmery one, which is still pretty shimmery, and just put it everywhere where I put the Rare Beauty blush, and a little bit on my nose as well. I feel like that's gonna give it the extra glow that I'm looking for. I absolutely love this blush so much because it's like shimmery, but like shimmery enough and like not shimmery in like an ugly way where you're like, oh my god, this is like so glittery and chunky. Like it's very fine glitter. Like focusing it more on the center here to give us that like sunburnt like baby doll kind of look. Doing the exact same on the other side. Tapping because I don't want like the freckles that I did underneath to like be completely like washed away and blended with the makeup now. I feel like this is looking a lot better. Like it's definitely more glowy. I feel like I don't look bronzed enough, so I'm just taking my Annabelle bronzer, and this is in the shade Sun Cheek. And just taking like a bigger like brush and just doing like where I put like the contour earlier. I feel like that's gonna make me like give me the bronzy glow that I'm looking for. For lipstick, I feel like she definitely has like a baby pink kind of nude lip all the time, so we're gonna use my lip liner from Buxom, and this is in the shade Dangerous Dolly, and I feel like this is like the most perfect like baby pink kind of nude color if you have like medium to tan skin. So I'm just lining my lips with this. And now I'm gonna take like the other side of this lip liner. It has a brush in it to blend the liner in, which I absolutely love about it because I definitely went a little bit overboard because I was trying to make my lips look a little bit bigger and like more plump because she has that kind of look, and I definitely need like another round of lip filler to get that look done because I haven't gone in like a while. I feel like it's been 6 months, so I'm due anyways. Just blending upward. And then the final lippy product that I'm going to be using is this Tower 28 Juice Balm, which is a tinted lip balm, and this feels so amazing and makes my lips so hydrated and like gives me that kind of like glossy look without actually using gloss, and it does not have like a sticky feel at all, which I also absolutely love about it. Yeah, I feel like this color like matches super well with the liner because like it's more of a beige nude. Feeling insanely hydrated right now, which I've been wanting so much. You guys, I don't drink enough water, and I've been like literally putting alarms on my phone to remind myself to drink water, but I'm still forgetting. So if you have any tips at all for like drinking more water and staying more hydrated, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I literally cheated and did some individual lashes from Ardell, but I did the insanely like natural ones so you can barely see them. But I did put them all just to be like transparent with you guys because I just don't like the look of my bare lashes with just mascara on them and nothing else. I feel like just adding that little falsy touch, even if it's like the most natural lashes ever, just like adds an extra something to the eyes and like would give me more of that Leah Halton kind of effect because she has super long lashes and thick as well, and I just don't naturally have that. But yeah, this is the entire look. I hope that you guys loved this tutorial and are gonna recreate this look as well. Tag me if you do because I love seeing your guys' recreations. And again, I'm literally obsessed with Leah Halton. I feel like her makeup is just so natural and pretty and like gives that baby doll kind of effect, which is what I tried to achieve today. So hopefully I did do a good job. I feel like I did. And make sure to check me out on TikTok and Instagram if you don't already. I have the same username on all my channels, heya.itsmar. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel yet, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button right now. Thumbs up this video and leave me a comment because I love chatting with you guys. Bye!